So hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to do a super easy, super fast manual for this camera. This is the Firefly Micro 2 from Hawkeye, and this is going to be a very basic guide just to get you started with this camera. First thing you want to do is insert an SD card, and you insert a micro SD card with a writing to the back side of the camera. This is a slot, and you might you should do it very gently. Make sure that the card is not popping out. Okay, so there we go, we have the card inserted in. So let's operate this camera. The right button is the power button and the left button is the mode button. To power on the camera, long press the right button, the power button, for a few seconds. Okay, so we got 3 beeps. That means that the camera is on. Now, as you can see, the red light indicates that the camera is in 2.5K mode. Now, to switch this mode to another recording mode, you should short press the mode button. The buttons are off surface, so okay, so now I'm in red and blue mode. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. This means that this is the stills mode. Another press on the mode button and we enter the blue mode. That means the blue LED means that we are recording at 1080p 60 frames per second. You can change that later in the menu, but I'll explain it in a further videos. So these are the 3 modes. Red LED, that means that is 2.5K, 30 frames per second. This is the normal one. Blue LED, that means that it's 1080p 60 frames per second. And blue and red or purple, you get this stills mode, which I think it's not very useful. So to record a video, you short press the power button and you can hear the beep and the camera is recording. Same for the 1080p mode, and same for the stills. In the stills it will just take 1 picture. Another press on the power button and you can see the recording is off, the LED stopped flashing, and you get a voice indication for this. And the last thing you want to do with this camera is turn it off, so long press the power button and you have here 4 beeps. That means the camera is off. So hope you enjoy this really fast manual for this camera. Further on I will make more advanced video how to change all the modes and footage of this camera. So follow my channel if you want, subscribe and press the bell button if you want to get a notification, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, have fun, thank you for watching, bye.